Water resources are a huge part of Wisconsin's economy. Aside from having the world's largest concentration of water parks in the Wisconsin Dells, many people use the rivers and lakes located throughout Wisconsin for drinking water and recreational use. Not everything is as clear as it should be. Wisconsin has a huge problem with nitrogen entering our groundwater. When nitrogen-rich sources such as ammonia or animal waste enter the water and combine with oxygenated water, nitrate can form, which can lead to water contamination. Agricultural sources are a huge contributor to nitrate in groundwater, since many farms spread nitrogen-rich manure or nitrogen-rich fertilizers on their fields. Excess nitrogen from these field applications can then run off into nearby water sources, and nitrate can form. In a sample of Wisconsin private wells, about 10% of them exceeded the minimum concentration level for nitrates statewide, while in highly agricultural areas in Wisconsin, about 25% of the private wells exceeded the minimum concentration level of nitrate. A major concern about excessive nitrate in groundwater is that infants below the age of 6 months are at a higher risk for developing methemoglobinemia or blue baby syndrome when exposed to excessive amounts of nitrogen. This condition makes it harder for infants to take in oxygen and can lead to a blue coloring of the skin. Excess nitrate in the human body also has potential links to an increased risk for some cancers, such as gastric and bladder cancer. To help reduce nitrate in the water sources of Wisconsin, it will be important to assist our farmers at the organizational level. There are a number of other stakeholders that should also be included, such as agricultural-related industry, public agencies, universities, policymakers, and environmental groups. Through collaboration with these stakeholders, we should be able to come up with a solution that will help to solve this problem. One potential intervention for this problem is the use of nutrient management programs. Nutrient management programs are typically voluntary programs that work to document available nutrient sources on a farm, and they also specify the amounts of manure and other nutrients and fertilizers that are applied in the fields. Different agencies or universities can host training sessions on nutrient management programs to aid farmers in developing them. Since the planning process to develop a nutrient management program can be time and resource intensive, it is important that farmers receive adequate assistance to help them develop a nutrient management program. In a study done in Wisconsin, farmers who are applying high levels of nutrients greatly reduced the amounts of nutrients they are applying after they developed a nutrient management program. Nitrogen and nitrate in Wisconsin waters is a huge problem that can have some major health implications for certain groups. The use of nutrient management plants has the possibility to reduce the amount of nitrogen and nitrate entering our groundwater, especially in regions with a lot of agricultural sources like Calumet County. Through collaborative efforts, we may be able to clear up the problem of nitrogen and nitrate in our water.